Have you ever wondered how a Shaolin monk can stand completely still while holding unbearable pain? Or break through solid objects with calm focus instead of anger? These monks don't rely on giant muscles or expensive gym equipment. Their power comes from discipline, control, endurance, and years of mastering their bodies and minds. And the craziest part is, some of their most powerful exercises look incredibly simple. Today, you're about to learn 4 Shaolin monk exercises that build unbelievable strength and endurance. These movements have been practiced for centuries inside the legendary temples of China, training warriors to become stronger, faster, calmer, and mentally unshakable. But these exercises are not just about fitness. They teach you how to control your breathing, sharpen your focus, and push through discomfort without giving up. And here's the surprising part. Most people quit these exercises long before they feel the real benefits. Not because they're complicated, but because they force you to battle something much harder than heavy weights: your own mind. Stay with me until the end, because once you understand how these 4 exercises work together, you'll see why Shaolin training creates a completely different kind of strength. Not just physical power, but full body control, endurance, balance, and mental toughness. Let's get started. Before a Shaolin monk ever learns advanced martial arts techniques, they first learn how to stand. That might sound boring at first, but this single exercise is the foundation of nearly everything in Shaolin training. This position is called the bow stance, also known as gong bu in Chinese martial arts. And even though it looks simple, it can quickly become one of the toughest exercises you've ever done. Picture this. One leg steps forward while the other stretches back. Your front knee bends deeply while your back leg stays straight and strong. Your chest stays lifted, your core tight, and your body remains completely balanced. You're not moving at all, but within seconds, your legs begin shaking, your breathing gets heavier, and your mind starts begging you to stop. That's exactly why Shaolin monks use it. The bow stance teaches stability under pressure. Instead of explosive movement, it trains stillness. And mastering stillness is one of the hardest forms of strength. Modern science actually supports this method. This type of training is called isometric exercise. Research shows isometric holds can improve tendon strength, joint stability, muscular endurance, and mental focus. Unlike quick workouts that rely on momentum, this stance forces your muscles to stay activated continuously. And there's another reason this matters. Every movement in martial arts begins from the ground. If your stance is weak, your punches lose force, your balance disappears, and your body wastes energy. But when your base becomes strong, every movement becomes smoother, faster, and more powerful. Here's how to do it correctly. Take a large step forward, around twice shoulder width. Bend your front knee until it stays directly above your ankle. Keep your back leg straight with your heel pressed into the ground. Your toes should point forward. Tighten your core, lift your chest, and place your fists near your waist like a warrior preparing for battle. Now hold it. Start with 30 seconds on each side. Then slowly build toward 1 minute or longer. Focus on steady breathing. Inhale through your nose, exhale slowly through your mouth. And when your legs begin shaking, don't panic. That shaking means your muscles are working harder than they're used to. It means your endurance is growing. Shaolin monks believe true strength begins the moment comfort disappears, because real power doesn't start with movement. It starts with mastering stillness. Now that your foundation is stable, it's time to add movement and explosive power. Most people imagine Shaolin monks throwing lightning-fast punches, but the real secret is simple. True punching power doesn't come from the arms. It starts from the ground. Every strong Shaolin strike begins in the feet, moves through the legs, rotates through the hips, tightens the core, and finally explodes through the fist with full force and control. This is exactly what the Shaolin punch drill develops. Stand in your bow stance, keep your feet firmly grounded, and tighten your core. Punch forward with your right fist while exhaling sharply. Then quickly pull it back to your waist. Repeat with the left hand and continue alternating in a steady rhythm. But the key rule is this: never punch using only your arms. Most beginners make that mistake and lose power. Shaolin training uses full-body kinetic movement. where every part of the body works together as one connected chain. Modern sports science calls this the kinetic chain, where force flows from the legs to the upper body for maximum efficiency and power. Another key detail is the balance between tension and relaxation. Tighten your body at full extension, then relax instantly. This whip-like action builds explosive speed, control, and precision. Start slow with 10 punches per side, then gradually increase while focusing on breathing, rhythm, and perfect form. Now it's time for the exercise that separates comfort from real endurance. Shaolin monks weren't just strong, they were explosive. Their training allowed them to jump, react, and move with speed while staying fully controlled. One of their most intense yet simple drills is the Shaolin frog jump. Don't let the name fool you. This is brutal. Frog jumps build leg power, endurance, balance, and mental toughness at the same time. After a few reps, your legs burn, your breathing gets heavy, and your mind starts asking you to stop. That's exactly the point of the exercise. Start in a deep squat, chest up, hands forward. Jump forward like a frog, then land back into the same squat without standing up. Stay low and repeat. It feels easy. Until 5 reps in. Focus on soft landings, not just jumps. Do 5 to 8 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Over time, you'll feel stronger, faster, and mentally tougher with every landing. After intense training, Shaolin monks switch to recovery. They believe true strength doesn't come from constant effort, but from balance. A body that never relaxes eventually breaks down, which is why recovery is just as important as training. The Shaolin arm swing exercise is their simple method for restoring energy and calming the system. At first, it looks basic. You stand tall and swing your arms forward and backward in a smooth rhythm. This gentle motion improves blood flow, reduces stress, and relaxes tight muscles. Modern science also supports it, showing it helps the body reset and activate recovery mode. To do it, stay relaxed, breathe in as arms swing forward, and exhale as they move back. Continue for 1 to 2 minutes, your body softens, your breathing slows, and your mind becomes calm. Now let's bring everything together into a simple Shaolin routine you can do at home. Start with the bow stance for 30 seconds each side, 3 rounds, focusing on balance and breathing. Then do the Shaolin punch drill, 20 punches per side for 3 rounds, exhaling with every strike and driving power from your legs. Next, move into frog jumps. Do 5 to 8 controlled jumps for 2 to 3 sets, staying low and landing softly. Finish with the arm swing exercise for 1 to 2 minutes to relax your body and restore energy. Do this 3 to 4 times a week. Consistency matters more than perfection. You don't need a temple or equipment, just discipline and focus. These 4 exercises build strength, endurance, and mental control. Stay patient, keep practicing, and your mind may become your strongest weapon.